Hey, what's up everybody? If you missed last week's Novel Keys restock of the nk65, don't worry, I got all 4 of the new colors here. We will be unboxing them for you here shortly. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment down there in the comment section about what color you're looking forward to seeing the most. I personally can't wait to see what the Cartridge Gold looks like. I guess just because I was a huge Zelda fan back when I was a kid, and you know, the fact that they have made that into a board color, pretty dope. Everybody remembers, like, your Nintendo collection, you had that one gold cartridge that was so dope. So let's see what the packaging looks like here. Pack and slip out. So it looks like we've just got all 4 just shoved in a box. It's like they didn't give me a sticker. Oh, come on. Novel Keys always include stickers. Let's pull these guys out. Okay, there's the sticker. It's one I've already got. And they folded it, but there we go. Alright. Slide those up a little bit. Alright, here we go. Let's take a look at the first one. We have clear. Let's see what clear looks like. Jeez. Make these sleeves any harder? There we go. Let's see what we got here. And it looks like the same gray carrying cases that we're all familiar with. Interested to see what color cables they have, because I've seen different color cables coming out. Okay, we got the standard silver coiled cable. And here's the clear board. It's got a little bit of a frost to it on the bottom. I think all in all, good looking board. As always, Novel Keys delivers some good looking stuff. Let's see what have we got here next. This is the new watermelon. So it's gonna be nice dark red. Hopefully. Right. Like I said, Novel Keys usually makes a very quality product, so the odds are it's going to be the color that they say. Oh, ripping the box a little bit there, huh? Alright, let's see what we got here. Numero dos, the new watermelon. Oh, this one comes with a black cable. And it looks like they've made a bigger card than they used to. Alright, interesting. And I've got a nice dark red there. It looks pretty good. If you like dark red, this may be your color. Definitely not a bad looking board. Now, let's take a peek at fire. Is this fire board gonna be the fire? Let's hope so. Let's hope so. And the standard gray carrying case that you come to expect. Whoa, what just happened there? That was weird. Alright, looks like this one comes with a black cable. I don't know if the cable colors are just randomly selected. What is going on with my camera? It's tweaking out. Alright, so here we go. There's fire. Nice orange color. Looks pretty good if you're a fan of orange. think I have a dope keycap set that would look really good on this. And now for my most anticipated color, Cartridge Gold. Let's see what she looks like here. Let's see what she looks like. Of course, standard gray carrying case, which these carrying cases are great. The fact that they're included with a $95 board, not a terrible thing. Imagine these cases, you'd probably get 20-30 bucks just for them. Alright, looks like we got black cable. I don't know why my camera is tweaking out today. I need to look into that here. Oh gosh, this thing is sexy. Look at that. Nice gold. It looks almost identical to the old Nintendo cases. So let's get all four of these up here for a comparison. Gold, we got fire, we have clear, and last but not least, we have watermelon. So here is all four of Novel Key's new colors. Let me know down in the comments which one's your favorite. Be sure to like and subscribe. Come back to the channel regularly. We've got some new stuff coming soon. Looking for some vintage boards to do some switch harvesting from. And as always, I'm on Twitch at twitch.tv/Kirball. And be sure to check out the links in the description below. Have a great day.